Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme e-commerce site build. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been building this little site here. If you've been following along with the videos, you'll know all about it. Before we go any further, let's take care of the site identity and favicon. For those of you that don't know, a favicon is this little badge that appears up in the browser of the tab of the browser you're looking at, and the site ID is what we want to put next door to it, because we don't want the generic default is hello world, just another WordPress site. We want it to say something about our site. So let's go ahead and go to the dashboard, and if we go down to Divi and Divi theme options, which is where we are now, you can put your favicon in here by just uploading it here, but you can also do it in the theme customizer. So let's do it that way. We can change our titles there also. So if you hit the theme customizer, that brings up our customizer here once it's loaded, and we want to go to general settings, and under general settings we want to go up to site identity, and here we are. There's, it says hello world there. We want to change that. Let's change it to the name of our site, Delightful. And a little tagline, I guess we'll just call it something like Top Fashions. Something like that. And if we go down a little bit further, you'll see it says site icon. This is also the favicon or favicon that we've got up here. And it's telling us that it should be 5 by 12 by 5 by 12 pixels, which is obviously a square. So I've created one in Photoshop, and I'll get it uploaded. So I hit the select image, and I'm going to drag it over from my folder and just drop it in here. So let's hit select. There we see it. Now if I go over to our page here, once I've published, let's hit that publish. Now it's published. Let's go back to this page and refresh it. There we go, and you can see the little favicons changed up there, and the caption has also changed. I'm actually not really happy with that. The image itself was a lot more central than that, so I'm going to go ahead and change that Photoshop image. Let's have a look here. Here's the image. I expected it to be more like this, but it's kind of cropped it up a little bit. So let's make that shape a little bit smaller. And let's keep it in the center. I'm not going to go over what I'm doing here too much because this is a whole nother topic, Photoshop. I'm just going to centralize that, save it, now let's try re-uploading that. Let's go back to our thing here and hit this change image button. See, because you know, I expected it to be a little more central than that, but obviously not. Now let's upload the new one and select it. That's a bit more like it. Publish. Now let's refresh. There we go, that's a bit better. I like that better. So that's how to add your favicon and to change your site identity. Well, that was a very short and sweet video. I hope that was useful to you. If you've enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and share the video. If you're interested in web design, take one of our web design courses below. We've got some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. There's also some great free courses down there, so have a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.